Okay, so here we go. We're in the Caribbean. I'm in Mexico. I make all my money on the internet, and I'm going to teach you how to do that. But right now, I'm making a fire. See that little barbecue? And then we're going to cook some Mexican sausage. This is beef. This is from a cow. Absolutely amazing sausage. And I'm going to cook that right on that barbecue. So I'll show you exactly how to do that in a minute here. But I'm living in the Caribbean, baby. I love it here. I live on about $500 a month. Let's say about $550 a month. And I live a magnificent life. I make enough money on the internet in 1 hour to pay all of my bills every month. I'm going to say that again. I'm going to repeat myself. I don't care if you're 18 years old or 88 years old. You need to learn how to live this life. I make enough money in 1 hour on the internet selling the #1 product in the world right now, and today is Wednesday, June 10th, 2020. I am selling the #1 product in the world. Oh, my fire is almost going out. I got to get back to the fire. I sell the #1 product in the world right now, and I make enough money in 1 hour, $500. Let's just say about $600 in 1 hour online to pay my bills every month. Think about that. How many hours do you need to work every day, every week, every month to pay your bills every month? Would you like to learn how to work 1 hour and pay your bills every month, and then every other day, 29 days a month, whatever money you make goes in your pocket? You like that idea? Give me a comment below and say, James, I'm in. Send me your information. Not
छाया आसमां देखो झूमता गगन है छाया आसमां देखो झूमता गगन ज़मीन आसमां पूछ गया झूमता गगन आसमां मेरे झूम ले जहां ये कैसा नशा प्यार का समा रही समा झूमे आसमां होश तो खोले प्यार तू ले ले संग मेरे झूम जा कैसा नशा होश है कहाँ होश तो खोले प्यार तू ले ले संग मेरे झूम जा
All right, so guys, here's what we got going on. We got some, we're cooking some, what are we cooking there, baby? What is it? Tell me. Beef, some beef. We got some tomatoes, onions, and peppers. Look at that. And then we got some pasta. We got some pasta cooking right there. We got a lot of stuff going on. Baby, say hello. Hello. And it's crazy. We're crazy. We're in the Caribbean right now. We're in Mexico in the Caribbean. We got Bob Marley. I got Bob Marley playing No Woman, No Cry. And we're having an amazing time in Mexico. And sometimes we drink a lot of bottles of wine. But right now, I got a fire going on out here. Check this out. I'm going to be cooking this amazing beef sausage. Check this out. Check out that sausage. And I'm going to put it right on this homemade barbecue fire right out back. So keep watching my videos here, guys, because I'm going to show you the #1 business in the world right now. I sell there's bugs. There's one product I sell every day, every week, every month online. It's the #1 product. Today's Wednesday, June 10th, 2020. You got to get this product. You got to learn how to sell it, and you will make $50,000 a month minimum. I guarantee it. Or you might not make nothing because you don't do anything. But if you listen to me, you might change your life. Watch my video. Keep watching. I will show you exactly the 5 steps I do. 5 steps I do to sell this #1 product in the world right now. Right up. Oh, my fire's going out. Hold on. We got to get the fire going. Hold on. I got it. Watch. This is how I get the fire going. Watch. Watch how fast I get this fire going. Watch. Here we go. You see the trick? It's a trick. It's a secret. Everything's a secret. Even on the internet. You need a secret system. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Watch this. 30 seconds. I got a barbecue going. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing barbecue. What if I could teach you how to set up a system in 1 minute? Let's just say 1 hour to sell the #1 product in the world and make $500 in 1 hour. Pay all your bills every month. What if you made $500 in 1 hour and in 10 hours, 10 hours, you made $5,000 with my little secret system? And I know exactly how to show anyone how to do it. I have over 380 clients and counting every day now. I have the #1 system in the world to make money online, coming out of this stupid scam pandemic, I call it a scamdemic virus. If you're not making, listen to me, if you are not making at least a minimum of $100 an hour with your current job, with your current business, I want you to send me a comment below and say, James, you're full of shit, dude, but I'm interested. All right, I'm back. I got the fire going. So like I was saying, I'll show you in 1 hour, 60 to 90 minutes, in 1 hour, how to sell the #1 product in the world right now during the coronavirus quarantine. You know, we're getting out of this thing now. And then during all the riots going on in the USA, by the way, the United States of America is the worst country in the world. I'm in Mexico, 2 minutes from the beach, the Caribbean, on the beach. It's amazing here. It's beautiful. I'm living in paradise. And I make enough money in 1 hour to pay all my bills every month. Want me to teach you how to do that? Comment below. All you have to do is say, I'm in. Send me your information. I'll get you on a live call. I'm going to send you a link so you can set up a schedule with me. I probably do about 30, 40, say about 35 calls a day. I sign up about 7, 8 clients a day, and then they hire me to show them how to live this lifestyle. $500 a month, and you pay all your bills, but you make the money in 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour a day. Got it? Hey, what's up, guys? We're at the rooftop pool hanging out. Okay, so now while I'm about to cook this amazing sausage and all of our vegetables here, let me show you what we got going on. I'm going to continue to talk to you and tell you exactly what I'm selling. There's no secrets, guys. I'm selling education, just like Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Steve Jobs. I'm teaching people how to make money on the internet, and I'm also teaching people how to make money with real estate. So what you do is, look at this amazing food here. We got pasta. Ooh, that's hot. We got some beef right there. And then she's making some tomato, onions, and peppers. My little drop-dead gorgeous little kitty cat. I love this girl so much. She's about to have a baby. I don't know if you can see it right there. She's about to have a baby. But I teach people how to become an online consultant, an online mentor, and people will pay you a lot of money. I have people who pay me $25,000. I'm going to say that again. I have business owners from all over the world who pay me $25,000 to teach them how to live this lifestyle. What lifestyle? Doing whatever you want to do whenever you want to do it, making money on the internet, selling the #1 product in the world, which is education. Look at UCLA, look at Yale, look at Stanford, look at all of the colleges and universities in the United States. What about London? What about the University of London, London University, right? Look at all these colleges all over the world. They are some of the richest companies in the world because people will pay money to learn how to make a lot of money. And that's what you need to do online. Are you ready? We're in the Caribbean. Livin' Caribbean. This is called Livin' Caribbean. Can you hear the Caribbean music? All right, so now we got the sausage cooking now on the barbecue. Check this out. This is amazing food. Pure protein, baby. In the Caribbean, in Mexico. Look at that. That's amazing. And at the same time, while I'm cooking this food, I just checked the computer. We made $2,300 in the last 3 hours selling the #1 product online. So yeah, if you want to learn how to make money selling the number one system, the number one product online, I have it. You can listen to all these other gurus out there if you want. They're going to try and sell you a book. Say, hey, I'll send you my book for $1, $7. Just pay the shipping. It's a scam. It's all bullshit. I'm not selling you a book. I'm not going to send you a book. I'm going to offer you one thing. You want to make a lot of money selling the number one product online. I have the number one product online. I sell the number one product online. I make thousands of dollars every day. I'll show you proof. Just send me a comment below. Just say, James, I'm interested. Private message me. Send me a PM. I'm only looking for specific people. 99.99% of all the losers out there do not qualify for my time because they're idiots, they're stupid, they're dumb. Do you understand? Or they're negative. Or they're haters. You know what I do every day? I make money. And I live a paradise lifestyle in the Caribbean on the beach. And I make $500 average per hour. Per hour. $500 an hour automatically online. You want to learn how to do that? Send me your information below. Send me your phone number below, and I'll get somebody in contact with you. I'd love to talk to you personally. I will personally help you. Okay, so we have the finished product right here. Look at this amazing food while we're living in the Caribbean. Hold on, here we go. Check it out. Look at that. Wow. Sausage. What is this, baby? Tell them. Sausage. Tomatoes, onions. What else is in it? Beef.
Chicken.
Pasta, chicken. Oh my God. I feel like this is like the ultimate stay alive, eat like a king. We eat like kings and queens. Hey, do we eat like we eat like kings and queens?
Yeah.
We eat like a prince and princess, you know.
Okay.
Oh, she said obvious, which means obvious, okay. Check that out. That is amazing. Look at that. I'm going to put it under the light. Look at that. Wow. And, how about this? I'm going to show you how to sell the number one product in the world right now and make $500 per sale. And if you sell one a day, you're making $500 per day. And eat like a king. Look at that. Eat like a king. Let's make money, baby.